new. This is the start of a rebuilding process, of a time where things are going to start going your way, and they're not fighting you anymore. The environment's not fighting you, it's now supporting you. So don't be surprised if you see a whole lot of little signs that say, man, I can't believe I got this right, and I got this right, and I got this right, and I got this right. Hello, Taurus. This is Thomas from the Tarot, and this is your reading for the week of April 28th through May 4th. This is your financial and investment reading. So let's see what Spirit and the universe has in store for you this week. What can we do to make this market work to our advantage? The card on the very top is your energy, and that is a Two of Pentacles. Man, if you're going to have a card, that's a nice one to have, especially for this kind of week. After that, we have a Knight of Wands, followed by a Hierophant card, and then bringing up the back end of this whole reading is a Calcitrant little Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords. On the bottom of the deck is the energy of the environment in which you're going to find yourself this week. And that energy is a lot of news coming in, a lot of news about things of changing. There's a lot of, and it makes very good sense too, because this market is ever evolving, ever changing. There's just nothing stable right now. And so if we know that going in, then we are going to see a benefit by understanding that and using that to our advantage. So know that this week, again, information is going to continue to flow in, and there's going to be all kinds of competing information and competing interests. And you just got to be able to got to be able to go with the flow and adjust as quickly as possible if you are to remain abundant. Now, this Two of Pentacles, I'm liking the energy because the Two of Pentacles is telling you you're at the beginning, not at the actual genesis, but close to the beginning of a process of a new era, a new foundational kind of building, I guess you would say. When I see this Two of Pentacles, this. It's like you've been in the wilderness for a while. You have been not doing well. You have not. Your investments have not done well. The money is just not there. But this is the start of something new. This is the start of a rebuilding process, of a time where things are going to start going your way, and they're not fighting you anymore. The environment's not fighting you, it's now supporting you. So don't be surprised if you see a whole lot of little signs that say, man, I can't believe I got this right, and I got this right, and I got this right, and I got this right. Because those little signs are letting you know that the universe has shifted, things have changed. And the good part is you are ready for that change yourself. So you're just running right to it. You're like, hey, give me something new, because I don't want what I got going on. Right? What I have right now is not working for me. This is the Hierophant. The Hierophant is that old structure. The old structures just aren't working, and they're keeping you up all night, and they're just not working to your advantage. So again, this is a week of starting out, building a foundation of something new, the beginning of a new era, a new philosophy, a new theory, a new way of investing, a new way of understanding finance, a new way of understanding stocks and bonds and whatever. Okay, don't be surprised if you're even considering doing something that's short investments. It's like, again, like a day trade or a swing trader. This is great energy for that. Moving away from the old structure kind of trading, and not in trading, investing. Okay, this is the old way, and the old way is not going to serve you well. The day trading right now could work very well for you, because again, the market is always changing, and there's all kinds of new news coming in. So don't be surprised if this energy is saying, hey, let's try something different. Let's move away from the standard old structure of investing, the buy, hold, and then sell when it goes up a little bit or whatever. No. This is again. Let's play the volatility. Let's play the volatility to our advantage, and we're getting out within a day or two. Again, swing trading. This is more about swing trading, but it could be day trading as well. Again, lots of new energy about this. And look at this. The Judgment card says, if you do the work, you're going to pay off big time. So again, you put the work out there, you're going to get it back. And look at that. It's that liberation. It's that freedom. It's like, wow, this is working for me. This is like the key to the castle. This is the key to the candy store. You're going to be able to see so much because you're putting the energy in, and you're going to say, wow, I'm free at last to make even more money. Because you're going to make a quick bounce and a quick bounce and a quick bounce and a quick bounce. And so you're going to make 10%, 15, 20% in one day. and then cash out, or even within 2 days as a swing trade, and then cash out, and then come back in and do another 15, 20%, 15, 20%. Think about it. You keep doing that every every 2, 3 days, your financial position will definitely change. And this is a new way of thinking. Again, this is that Page of Swords. So again, the energy is coming in. The new way of doing it is there, and you're going to learn more information, getting lots of information, lots of benefit, lots of confirmation. And again, another page here. So the youthful energies for you. The Temperance card is that balance. Stay balanced. Keep making sure, as if you're doing this, when you do the swing trades, when you buy the day trades, when you're doing this, that you make sure that you keep the balance of the stop losses. Make sure your stop losses are set at 10%. So therefore, you're out before you lose a ton. Make sure that you're investing in more than one thing. Make sure you're in 3 or 4 different things if you can, at least 3 trades a day, because if one goes down, 2 may go up, and you may offset the loss, and more importantly, exceed the gain. Again, stop losses are key, and getting into multiple transactions at a time, therefore ensuring the fact that you're going to have success from one, and the successes will be larger than the small minuscule losses based on the 10% theory, which doesn't happen often if you're doing what you do well. So again, you're starting something new. You're going to be getting into short-term trading. Use the volatility in the market with the information you have. Put it out there. The universe is going to bring it back to you. You're going to love this. Again, be patient, work with it. This is going to work to your advantage. Let's get away from the old guard. The stuff that keeps you awake all night is the investing that doesn't pay off. Okay, so we're not doing long-term investing. Look, it's another page. Lots of new energy again, and this is the happiness. So you're going to love this, Lynn. The queen is there. She's like, you know what? We're going to make money for this, and I'm going to be happy because the money's going to pay off. And there's that sun card, and the sun's like, you know what? Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Taurus, amazing read, amazing energy. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and follow buttons. I would appreciate it. Leave a comment, even better. And with that said, love, light, and blessings from me at Sonora Mystic Tarot to you and your family. Remember, I am not a professional investing person. I know nothing about all that stuff. I leave that to professionals. What I tell you is the energy of the reading in reference to finance and investing. So again, use my information as a starting point, but make sure you do not depend on it solely to make investments and investment choices, but use it as a starting point to consider what you may want to do down the road. With that said, again, have a great one. We'll talk next week. Bye.